Welcome back to our channel, Nature Enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video lined up for you. We'll be exploring some fascinating and little-known facts about nature that will leave you amazed. So, let's jump right into it. Did you know that rainforests are often referred to as the lungs of the earth? These incredible ecosystems produce more than 20% of the world's oxygen. They are home to an astonishing array of plant and animal species, many of which are yet to be discovered. Rainforests truly are nature's treasure troves. Now, let's dive into the depths of the ocean and explore the mesmerizing coral reefs. Did you know that coral reefs are the largest living structures on Earth? They support vast biodiversity, rivaling rainforests in their richness. These delicate underwater ecosystems are not only breathtakingly beautiful but also serve as nurseries for countless marine species. As we move from the depths of the ocean to the wide-open savanna, here's an intriguing fact. Did you know that elephants are excellent landscapers? These gentle giants shape their environment in remarkable ways. By knocking down trees, they create open spaces that allow different plants and animals to thrive. Elephants truly are nature's architects. Let's now venture into the towering mountain ranges. Did you know that Mount Everest, the world's highest peak, is still growing? Due to the collision of tectonic plates, it gains approximately 4 millimeters in height every year. This fascinating fact showcases the dynamic and ever-changing nature of our planet. As we explore the enchanting forests, here's an astonishing fact: trees communicate with each other. Through their intricate root systems, trees send chemical signals to warn nearby trees of potential threats, such as insect attacks. They even share nutrients with their neighboring trees, ensuring the survival of the entire forest community. Back underwater in the vibrant coral reefs, did you know that some fish change their gender? Take the clownfish, for example. When the dominant female dies, the dominant male transforms into a female to take her place. This incredible adaptation ensures the continuity of the clownfish colony. Now, let's witness the sheer power of waterfalls. Did you know that Victoria Falls, located in Africa, is one of the largest waterfalls in the world? It stretches over 1 mile wide and drops down more than 350 feet. Lastly, let's cross the scorching deserts. Did you know that the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert in the world, expands at a slow rate? Over the past century, it has increased by about 10% due to climate change and human activities. The desert's shifting dunes and vastness remind us of the ever-evolving nature of our planet. The thundering sound and misty spray make it a truly awe-inspiring sight to behold. And there you have it, Some fascinating facts about nature that you probably didn't know before. Nature never fails to surprise us with its wonders and secrets. We hope you enjoyed this journey through various ecosystems. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about the natural world. Until next time, keep exploring and stay connected.